kasi before pa pumasok si Speaker Bogie D, may nung finorm na yung ICI, meron ng parang consultation and later on direktiba galing kay Speaker Martin Romualdez na ihinto nyo na yan unless you're going to deal with legislative measures to instigate safeguards so that it will not happen again.
Pero under D? Pero under D, itutuloy po ba niya to or meron po ba siyang ibang directive?
Sa pagkaintindi ko naman, nire-respeto niya yung mga naunang meeting at consultation na naganap. Nag-usap silang dalawa eh. He was appraised no, of the ongoing and the priorities in the House. Pero sa ngayon, ang pinakaunang priority talaga is yung budget sang-ayon sa expectations ng taong bayan.
Sige, sorry kung clarify lang. So wala na pong hearing na inaasahan dito sa
Sa
INFAC.
pagkakaintindi namin, wala na. Or kung meron man, ito ay to formally endorse all the documents and the affidavits gathered to the ICI.